Assalamualaikum students, today we will talk about debentures. In this video we will see the cases in which only the issuance of debentures is given. No details regarding their redemption is given. Nothing about redeemable or the word redemption have to do with these entries. So let's begin. Let's see what the debentures are. So actually debentures are a kind of loan taken by the joint stock company from the public. So it is a debt. It is a debt certificate under the seal of the company because the company is the borrower and the company is taking a loan from the general public on the contract that a particular rate of interest will be paid to the debenture holder until the money is returned to the person from whom it is taken, or you can say the debenture holder. So debentures are by nature a liability. Let's see the issuance of debentures at par. The word par means the printed value on the debentures. Whenever joint stock company is formed, the par value of debenture and share is decided by the company, and mostly it is rupees 100 in our examples. It could be any price given by the examiner in the question. So the par value is actually the face value or the printed value on the debenture certificate. PPL Corporation issues 508% 7-year debentures. Right now they are issuing only 500 debentures. The rate of interest offered by PPL Corporation on those debentures is 8%, and this loan is taken for a period of 7 years by the company. It means after 7 years they will be returned or redeemed by the company. The money will be given to the actual debenture holder. This transaction is taking place on January 25, 2020. Let's see the issuance. Because no detail regarding redemption is given, therefore a simple entry will be made. We are receiving money, therefore the bank account will be debited. The amount which will be recorded in the bank column is 500 multiplied by 100. 500 is the number of debenture, 100 is the par value of the debenture at which we are issuing it. So this is the money which we had received from the issuance of debenture. Debenture payable is a liability. Because this liability is increasing, therefore debenture payable will be credited. Debenture payable will always be credited with its par value, no matter we are issuing it for premium or discount. The premium or discount account will be shown separately, but debenture payable will always be recorded with its par value. Narration is issued debentures at par. Let's see one more example in which we are issuing debentures at discount. Discount means now we are issuing debenture for the lesser value than its par value. The printed value on the debenture is 100, but just to attract the public we are offering it for a discounted rate, and our discounted rate is rupees 95. Pipco company issued 1000 debentures. This is the number of debenture. 6% is the rate of interest offered by the company. In our entry at the to record issuance, we have nothing to do with this percentage or with the time duration. We will be calculating the amount by multiplying these number of debentures with the amount for which we are issuing them. So now we are issuing these debentures for rupees 95 each. Therefore, bank account should be debited by multiplying 1000 with 95. Bank debit 1000 multiplied by 95. Always write these amounts. It will help you to avoid errors. You will always remember what zeros or how many zeros are to be written here. 5 rupees is the discount per debenture. Discount will be recorded in the debit column, and debenture payable is a liability, so it will be recorded in the credit side. Narration is issued debentures at discount. So whenever no details regarding the redemption of the debenture is given, only the issuance is given and they are offering it for a discounted rate, this is how you will be recording the entries. Let's see the third example, issuance of debentures at premium. Premium means we are offering the debenture for a higher value than its par value. Sometimes the company is earning good reputation, and if the company sells the debenture even for a higher value than its par value, public shows interest and they buy the debenture certificates. Khalida and company issued 2000 debentures. This is the number of debentures कि इस वक्त वो कितने इशू कर रही हैं. 10% is the rate of interest offered by them to the debenture holders. They are issued for a period of 9 years. The par value of the debenture is 100 rupees, but right now they are offering it for rupees 110. Let's see the recording. This time bank will be debited with 2000 multiplied by 110. 2000 multiplied by 110 will give us 2,20,000. Bank account is increasing, therefore it will be debited. This 10 rupees extra which we are charging is to be recorded as premium on debenture. So premium on debenture will be credited 2000 multiplied by 10, and debenture payable, as I told you, will always be credited with its par value. 2000 debentures we are issuing, 100 rupees is the par value, we will multiply it, and this is how the debenture payable account will be credited. So these are three simple examples in which we are only recording issuance of debenture, no detail regarding redemption is given. Watch the next video for the redemption entries.